Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to get paid to chat with strangers, and it's going to be a very easy way for you to work from home, guys. I'm going to show you 3 online jobs that you can do on this video, so let's get started right now. Alright guys, so how to get paid to chat with strangers. This is going to be easy work from home online jobs because you're literally going to just be having conversations in English with people who want to learn conversational English, okay? So you're going to be working with your own schedule and you can earn $10 or more per hour with this type of work. And I'm going to show you 3 sites that allow this. But I'm also going to show you kind of like the downside of this type of work so that you are aware. So with this type of job, you are just still trading time for money because once you stop working, then you won't be earning. The work may not be consistent as well because sometimes the time zones may not work out for you. When you're available to chat with other people, there may not be other people to chat with you because these are people from all over the world. So in that sense, it may not be as consistent. And obviously, at $10 an hour, you're not making tons of money, but you are just going to be making some extra cash, okay? So if you're somebody actually looking for a real online income, this method may not be for you. And if you want to make some serious online income, then you need to go to this other link instead, okay? Go to workanywherenow.com/best. This is where you can learn how to use a business model, an online business model where you can earn passive online income, okay? And they teach you how to do that and earn big money. So you could definitely earn like a full-time income if you learn these online skills. So you could use that and you can make way better money than what I'm going to be showing you today, okay? So let's get to it. All right, so here is the first site I want to show you. It's at tutor.nicetalk.com. So you could become an English tutor and help other people learn English from all over the world. Okay, so become a tutor, share your language with the world. What is NiceTalk? NiceTalk is developed by someone, this company in China. I'm not going to try to say those, pronounce that. It's the first mobile English learning platform that provides students with instant access to fluent English speakers through one-on-one video chat. It is believed that the best way to enhance one's language ability is to constantly practice speaking. In order to seamlessly connect students and tutors, NiceTalk Tutor is specially designed for fluent English speakers who want to be English practice partners and teachers. Okay, so let's take a look at how this works. So it's simple and easy, pay and bonus anytime, anywhere. So flexible work hours, tutor on your schedule, no worry for visa issues, no hassle for housing or flights, rewarding teaching experience, interesting new friends. All right, what are the requirements of being a NiceTalk tutor? So you need to have English proficiency. You have to have an English native speaker, and applicants with these certifications or teaching experience will be preferred but not required, okay? That's very important, not required. But what is required is that you have a stable internet connection and that you have either Android or iOS operating systems and a very quiet environment, okay? And how do you apply? So you would just come to this site like I told you in the beginning how to come to the site. Then you click this. It's a very easy form. You create an account and then step 2, then you would just you can visit NiceTalk on your phone and download the app and then follow the instructions to complete your application there. Okay, how to start chatting with students. After you've been approved, then you go online to start taking requests whenever you are available. There will be 2 modes for a student, either random call mode or direct call mode. In random call mode, you will be matched to the student according to your ratings. In direct call mode, you are chosen by the student from the tutors list. Once you get connected, then you can start talking about yourself, or then start having a conversation and get to know the person, and that's how you could just start having a conversation, them learning English and so forth. So they really just want to chat with you guys, okay? So how are you going to get paid? When you are paying with the NiceTalk user, you get paid for each full minute you spend talking to them, and you are going to get $10 US per hour. How do I get paid? So you need to have a PayPal account, and you will need to have a minimum balance of $20 before they pay you. You will receive money automatically in 3 to 4 business days. So cutoff time is Monday, and they pay every single week, okay? The second one I want to show is called PalFish. PalFish is a very popular one as well, but the requirements are a little bit more, because I believe this one you need to have a teaching certificate to be able to use. So this may not be okay for everybody, but I do have another choice. Just hold on a second, okay? There's another one that will be for everybody, okay, that don't have any English teaching experience at all. But this one, so for this one who has teaching experience, this will be really good for you. So to get to this site, all you gotta do is search PalFish teacher on Google, and you'll get here, because the link is really long. So the requirements are fluent in English, excellent communication and interpersonal skills, creative, energetic, passionate, and you like teaching and have experience in teaching. So at PalFish, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $18 per hour, and even some teachers could charge more than $30 per hour. So that's very good. But you get to set your own rates as you want, so you set it how competitive you like. Teachers from non-English speaking countries can also apply. PalFish does not have any preference with regards to nationality for this position. So as long as you have the requirements up here, I guess they're not too picky where you're from. And so you just apply down here, okay? Now, PalFish on the Apple Store is highly rated, guys. It's 4.7. So these are people, and then you're going to be talking, for this particular app, you will be talking to people from China. So you're not going to be talking to people from other places of the world. Now, the last one I want to show you is called Cambly at Cambly.com. This one, you don't have to be a teacher to be able to earn from this one. This one's really good. This one is also having conversations with people, and it's more relaxed, more casual. So this one, you can just get this app on your phone and start teaching. And these are people just want to be able to have conversational English conversations with other people who already know how to speak English. So it's very easy, guys, okay? And you want to come to this site, okay? And to get to this site, you want to search Cambly, how to become a tutor on Google, and you get to this. But you don't need to come to this site. You could just go to your either the Apple Store or the Google Play Store and search the name Cambly, and you could get this on your phone, okay? So get paid to chat with people from all over the world. Tutor with Cambly. See, this one here, if you do get to on this site, you just fill in the short form. It's very easy to set up, but you could also do it on the app as well. Tutoring with Cambly is fun and rewarding. No experience necessary. Yay! So this is the one I was telling you about. You don't need to be a teacher, and you will get paid also $10.20 per hour. And they charge by the minute. So it's about 17 cents per minute, okay? And they also pay every Monday through PayPal. So as long as you have access to PayPal, you can use this. And as long as you can speak English, you can use this. So anytime and anywhere, make your own hours, work as little or as much as you want. You can log online whenever you have a free moment and start taking calls within minutes. And then you can meet some very interesting people. You chat with people from all over the world. And in 1 hour, you could be talking to a Brazilian, a Saudi, and a Russian. So you could learn about different cultures and make new friends this way as well while you're earning money. So it's kind of fun, right? So that's Cambly, and Cambly is really well rated, 4.5 out of 7,000 people rating it on the Apple Store. So you could check this one out. These are really good ways for you guys to earn some extra cash online, guys. But as I was saying in the beginning of this video, this is still going to be trading time for money, but it is a great way to make some side income and get you started earning online, guys. When you start earning, save that money so you could invest in yourself, guys. Invest in yourself and learn more about how to make money online using programs like the one at workanywherenow.com/best and you will learn how to use an online business model to make even bigger money, guys. Okay, so this is the link that will show you how to do that, and it's going to be a business model that I use myself to make a full-time online income, guys. Okay, so if you want to make some serious money, that's where you can go. Or else if you just want to make some extra cash, these apps that I show you in this video will help you do that as well. Okay, so I really hope this video has helped you. If it did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, guys. And if you haven't already, why haven't you already? Subscribe to my channel so you can make more money online, guys. Okay, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. My videos come out every single week, so but I don't know when they come out, so get notified. Okay, all right guys, see you next time.